Mutuway first no. Upe one more no mudi maid servant pa. One year ceremony no ye ibeni. Meboa. Because ye no made for baby to me in the America. Me say, can you upe maid in na. One year ibenia, wabaya ceremony. Where's Mumabume? Meboa. Meboa. And the vote and alcohol so be no be crass on metina when chenkra metina store no mawa. They are elevating themselves. They are putting themselves at position where they can win. They are studying. Look at their schools now. Look at the voter first. No, so open brilliant and science math quiz for Abia. Say enye Kumasia, na ye Cape Coast, and then crying. Now sometimes go for the for about Pope Jones for Abefra. What were the schools? But and there, ye school be a free keto, a free keta. School be a free keta. Akoda baby anke ye de ne be kwanko di maid servant. Akoda baby anka sabe ye be man akọ ware rough. Ama betwani bi e de akọ hima no and akoda no nam Harvard Business School. Ufree keta. President Kufu akojiska. Me say President Kufu otiase. Last one wa bekan ye. Wakojiska. Yemfanye see defend emfa mamo. Na ma buy na moto abama no NDC no. NDC aban no. Wo buy ya. We be use scan de aye bibi foforo. Emende ensuo asen betwi afa ye nuanom ketafo so. Ye nuanom ketafo omo no ba ye mfu omo do ye omo ejapade omo ayemboa ne omo niam ninara. Mahama kopie wa no de emo 10 bags, essentially 3 bags. That's how cheap he sees you people. The money that was supposed to protect you by building a sea defense, wakopone ho kakra de ato 10 bags of rice, 10 bags of sugar. Say yem fambremo. That is what you deserve. And then go to voter region, see how many kids are walking on the street. Obi Eko school. Obi Eko school. And then uko sremu a unkonya sremu ni sa woni net na wo say na wo be ye ne maid servant. They say sa de no ubenya 1111 bi unya maid servant. Abai na no na ehwe Ghana so ye ne de na maid servant po pacho o ma me no ko pacho ante woni me be ntina ma me ohia no mintumi fa ne nko school into woni ne ntina ma me na ye pacho me ma me na ye be pa ne cho de bia me gina me kamo ayi de je kumire de bia oni ayi entina on say and they were happy to of course hey ukodi medu akra ufree voter srem ukodi medu akra share oso bana no ba ukroma unye easy o maid servant no ba ukroma unye easy and the kufuado ne ba omi say hey la ila yempene aden na ye say ye dem ye maid servant na me ama onim de etumi so betumi asua de kusua de uwie JSS ya ko SS mehwew uwie SS ya beje bosia guarantee free student loan na fa ko university ebia na wutia ye uwie SS no kra na some say Francis Calamini no scholarship ebia fawo onenam Harvard Oxford ne ade en kane no papa ni bia wona hwan na wako Oxford and the Francis Calamini others ni aba mu eyo baby omedu say Cynthia you are welcome. We are looking for an alternative to the problems. You people went there and told us say yen sake president. Brother Roman, you are welcome. Based on what? I said, Brother Roman, I was hoping to see say these people will say yentia say we need this. No. The dollar, which is not their currency, is what they are going on demonstration on. Then you look at the people that came to the demonstration, the 50 people that came. The 50 people that came for the demonstration. What they are showing? Oh, they just look at the people that came for. Now, I mean, yes, I'm a day freezy. I mean to member. Now, I will tell NDC people something. Say, oh man, she ya when to me and tia. Then you come and tell me, say, or you better change will be on nowhere to ya. Now, I'm call demonstration. No, I was expecting to see Pay us our 3-year salary, like what we saw under Mahama. Pay us our 2-year salary. Pay us this. Pay us this. I didn't see any of that too. No, I didn't. I didn't. Yes, your uncle resigned. Yet we are asking a finance minister that has paid some of these stupid MPs, has paid them since 2017 till now, NDC NPP. We are talking about a finance minister that has given Sosunum Kurasofo Nkodano our mobile parliament, the NDC for the mobile parliament, no. Omana hun kro no mo de ombe wura wona se adokodon edibe wura parliament wo ebetwa blade no ya jeje kan loan na momo e mo nne omo de da 4x4 mu. Guess who went for that money for them? The same finance minister. And now me no ka say NDC ahiafo bokafo wo mo magu free education. When they tia saka no the same finance minister. Me no can say one district, one factory is going on. One at this neighbor, one at this all these things neighbor, the same finance minister. Me no can say eye krona omuko ro vice president no. Ya ye wo mo akwan mo. Sika be ne de ye their finance ministry for kofa ba ye na. Na me ya na me ken na me ka sa asemu a voter region fo ni bi omo ho mo bo papa. Ikro voter region no sa voter for no. Most of you, papa. And it beats my mind, say, with all the intelligence Rollins had, most of you couldn't pick anything from Rollins. You are being used as a pawn for a party that couldn't help you. You are hooting at a vice president who has made zipline drone, ajemu voter for nkwa. Munkoshe, yeba ye mona moje no more. And then na me person me body ama. I wanted to show evidence, real things. Kete krachi bi wo ho zipline drone e boa mo hwan na de bae hwan na lead ye hwan na be commission mamo the vice president ne say ne accident si a e ya na ye gruson enso abato a na papa we pese ye to man nti osi oba obema na illegal me nuan mu kadafo mumma me 2 minutes pe na me fan kire made bi hwe okada ya ye no illegal e wo Ghana enu nti se mpo say your papa Mahama wa adwini bi say or the beye ni legal first and foremost abeko parliament NDC ni NPP for ene wo ho na picture say ene ya apai na nke beye den or the sa okada na ye den aba owia ye de ko Supreme Court akọ gazette na no abeye mra afi ye de beye adwuma na ye de akọ interior ministry urban planning ne ade road ministry for so abehwe say ye be you okada kwan anaso okada for no route be ye sen na ya ye sa niam na paperwork ni na wi ansa ne aka say afa de Ghana ni kono kuchi okada president bia be di ade a watumi achiche ne cabinet kura wi ntemo aye 1.5 years etu o wi a onfa sa ade we nko court NPP for ye ne yempene NDC for ye yempene ye fanko Supreme Court yen koye ni bibi anwi a yen kasa afedie okada be legal no na ne 4 years na ohwehwe no wadi awie okada wantwi okada o wadada 2020 year bio osai ko gina ho me si mi ni mo hwe kura no one thing can le no kokura in like when it comes to our Muslim brothers they are cops anas gbonu we say kan efunu ya ade a omo fefunu ponto ho inti po no